Rest well, unraveling the meaning. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase that you might hear or use in daily conversations. Rest well. Join us as we break down its meaning, usage, and context to help you master it. Rest well is a phrase often used to wish someone a peaceful and refreshing break, sleep, or period of relaxation. It's a warm and considerate sentiment that shows you care about the well-being of the person you're speaking to. 1. Rest. The word rest in this context means to take a break, to sleep, or to relax. 2. Well. Here, well is an adverb that means in a good or satisfactory way. So when combined with rest, it's wishing someone a good quality of relaxation. Rest well can be used in various contexts. 1. Before bedtime. It's common to use rest well as a nighttime farewell, similar to good night. 2. After a tiring day. If someone has had a long, exhausting day, telling them to rest well shows empathy and concern for their well-being. 3. In response to someone feeling unwell. If someone says they're not feeling great, you might respond with rest well to wish them a speedy recovery. 4. Before a big day. If someone has an important event, exam, or task the following day, wishing them to rest well shows that you hope they get a good night's sleep to be at their best. There are several other ways to express a similar sentiment to rest well. Here are some. 1. Sleep tight. Commonly used to wish someone a good night's sleep. 2. Get some good rest. A more explicit way to wish someone a restful period. 3. Sleep well. Almost identical in meaning to rest well, with a focus on sleep. 4. Have a good rest. Another variation emphasizing the quality of the rest. And there we have it. We've unraveled the meaning of rest well. Remember, it's not just about the words but the sentiment behind them. By using this phrase, you're showing someone you care about their well-being and hope they have a rejuvenating break. We hope this video has been insightful, and the next time you want to wish someone a peaceful rest, you'll know exactly what to say. Happy learning!